In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fixed assets in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Whether you're a small business owner keeping track of your assets or an accountant managing numerous entries, understanding this process is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. Let's dive right in to make sure you've got everything set up perfectly. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to the Advanced Accounting section. You can find this on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online Advanced dashboard. This section offers a plethora of options designed to help you manage your financials with precision, and today our focus is specifically on fixed assets. Once you're in the Advanced Accounting section, simply click on the Fixed Assets tab. This tab is essentially the hub for all your fixed assets. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of everything you have recorded, from office furniture to company vehicles, and more. This list allows you to view and manage all your current assets effectively. Now, if you're ready to add new assets, you have two options. You can choose to add a single asset or multiple assets simultaneously, depending on your needs. For those managing several acquisitions at once, adding multiple assets can be a real time saver. Simply click Add an asset for one item or Add multiple assets for several entries. After you've made your selection, it's time to fill in the details for your new asset. Begin by providing an asset name and a brief description. These should clearly depict what the asset is, making it easy for you or anyone else to identify later. Once that's set, move on to entering other crucial details. You'll need to input the purchase price, which is what you paid to acquire the asset. Next, enter the purchase date to record precisely when the asset became part of your business. The depreciation start date is equally important, as it marks when depreciation calculations begin. Speaking of depreciation, choose the appropriate method, whether it's straight line or another method that suits your accounting needs. You'll also determine the useful life, which estimates how many years the asset will remain productive. Don't forget the salvage value. This is what you anticipate the asset being worth at the end of its useful life. Finally, add any other important account details that might assist in financial tracking or reporting. Once you've meticulously filled out all these fields, glance over your entries to ensure accuracy. If everything appears correct and you're ready to add the asset to your list, click Save at the bottom right corner. However, if you need more time to verify the details, you have the convenient option to save it as a draft, allowing you to come back and complete it later. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added your fixed assets to QuickBooks Online Advanced. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, empowering you to maintain precise records with confidence.